all the 5.3s, 4.8s, 6.0s. They go out, delete, it's a problem. We're going to show you how to fix it today. So the tools you're going to need today we have this little electric air ratchet. It's going to make life a little bit easier, but you're going to need an 8mm socket to take all your covers off the motor. And this here is a oil pressure sensor socket. You get it in advance, it's about 25 bucks. But the socket is a little thinner wall. It allows you to fit down in there past the back of the head next to the sensor and get it out with a lot more ease than a standard socket. And then I have a 3/8 wobbly here that just gives me a little wiggle room so that I can get the socket and ratchet and everything down in there with a standard 6" extension. So let's get started. As soon as I put the ratchet going the right direction. And that one screw and then this cover will just pull right up off of there. There's some little hooks down there in the back that it slides into, but it just pulls out. And we'll set that to the side. And there's another 8mm right down here next to this power wire right here, which mine is already loose. And there's another one back here, right in there. See a damn thing. And then we'll just pull this cover off right here. And that'll expose the driver's side of the engine. And way back here on the back side of the motor, which we may have a little trouble showing you. You have to come in way in. Like way in. Never see it. It's way back here. So actually down the shoulder. There it is. Now, you see it right?
Yep, I see it's right.
Okay. Well, that's our oil pressure sensor down in there. It's kind of tough to see and tough to get to. Back up a little bit with that tab. Get that tab in there. Now you'll notice this tab right here, it's a little devil and it'll stab the hell out of your arm. It's okay to cut it off though. I have lots of times it doesn't cause a problem. It's just in the way. And then you'll reach down in there and see if I can get this connector up here where you can see it a little bit. You'll just take a connector right there and lift up on that tab and it'll slide right off. And then we'll take our socket and extension and wobbly. And we're gonna reach down over the back with it. Now, generally what I do is just kind of lay down on top of the motor because it's the best way to reach down in there. Okay, once you get it on there, just put your ratchet on there and take it off. the old sensor. It's stuck in the socket at the moment. So a real good sign that the oil sender was leaking is, as you can see, it's real wet right around in here. And then down inside the plug, you may not be able to see real well, but it's wet down in there too, where the oil's actually been pushing out of the connections. So we've got our new oil sending unit here. And we're just gonna reverse the procedure, get it started and get our socket back on it, tighten it up, plug it back in and be all set to go. And you don't have to do nothing special to it. It comes with a new seal on the oil sending unit already. And we'll just climb back up here. Get laid back down on top of the motor here. Just reach around in there, and it takes me a little feeling around usually to find the hole again. But, you know, you'll have that sometimes. There she goes. So, now we've got it started back in. We'll go ahead and put our socket back on our extension and wobbly. Maybe. And we'll get it down in there. Now, when you tighten it up, you don't need to go crazy. Just take it down until it's good and snug. Okay. Now we got the sensor all tightened back up. And I'm going to show you here on the old sensor, when you go to plug your wire back in, you feel for that little bump right there. That's where that clip that you lifted up with your finger and pushed it up off of the sensor, that's where it goes right there. So you'll find that tab on the sensor down there and then line the clip up with it, and it should drop right in. Just like that. Now we just put our covers back on and get back on the road with it.